welcome back to Crafty Corner. I'm Beth, and today I'm going to show you the awesome new updates to print and cut in Cricut Design Space. Here's my image I will be working with today. It is set to print then cut for the operation. If I go ahead and hit make it, I can show you the first update to print and cut. The registration marks have been cut down to just the corners. It used to be a full rectangle all the way around, so this update definitely saves on ink. The next update I want to show you is back on my canvas. I'm going to make my image larger than the typical 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. When I hit make it, an error pops up that the image is too large, but it does mention to see the warning icon in the layers panel. When we click on the little warning icon over here, this pops up to tell us the image is too large. There's two things in here, but the first one is this auto resize image button. What this does is it resizes my image to fit perfectly at its biggest inside an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. I'm going to head back to my canvas and enlarge my image here again until we see this warning icon. Let's click it again, and this time I am going to select the change paper size. On this pop-up, I can change my paper size all the way up to a tabloid and A3 sizing, which is 11.7 by 16.5 inches. Now when I hit make it, you can see that the paper on my mat has become much bigger. This is awesome because before this update, you could only print and cut up to 6.75 by 9.25 inches. So definitely a game changer. One last time, I'm over in Canvas and I am going to make this image super big. Again, I get this warning that it is even too big for the biggest paper size. I'm going to hit auto resize image. Then when I hit make it, my image is within my paper perfectly. Thanks for watching this quick print and cut updates. If you have any questions, give us a comment below. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like. Be sure to subscribe so that you do not miss out on any future Design Space update videos. Also, check out Craft-e-Corner.com for all of your Cricut needs.